Whether you're ready or not, we are past the 4th of July, and that means it's time for back to school, fall, and Halloween items to start hitting the shelves. Now, don't worry if you don't have kids going back to school. It's one of my favorite times to buy craft and organizational supplies. So I've been running around all over the place, sourcing some of the best items so you know where to look and what to grab early so you will not miss out on these awesome finds. You're watching Whiskey and Whit. My name is Whitney, and a huge thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video and supporting Whiskey and Whit. Also, a huge hello and welcome back to my whiskey craft buddies who are here each and every week to DIY with me. I am so thankful for you guys, and I'm so excited to have you back for another week. So, without further ado, let's hop right into it. We're going to start with Dollar Tree because they have some of my favorite back-to-school items, and they have started stocking early. But let's start with my favorite find literally ever back-to-school Dollar Tree. They're these containers. They're $1.25. The lid snaps on. These, if you see them, definitely grab them. I talk about them year round, but you can only really get them this time of year. My closet and my craft room are full of these. They stack so nicely. It's great to organize like subcategories. These are also primo if you do Legos or anything small with pieces. It's awesome because you can just shut the lid. Another size I love are these. You can pop the sides off. These are good if you travel to work. So if you work in an office and you need to put like utensils or straws or anything in there. It's also great for Cricut tools, pens, pencils. This is another great thing for stickers. A ton of different options. I also like to have one of these in my glove compartment with extra utensils and things. So that way if I'm on the road or a pen explodes or something, it's not going to get everywhere. I also saw some really cute lanyards. I like to hook these to my AirPods or different things that I'm trying not to lose in my purse, keys, etc. Got some fun, cute office supplies like this ruler. It has some sparkle in it. With this being $1.25, it's comparable for other places. I do like the sparkle. It matches my craft room. I also saw these really cute push pins. They have a ton of different colors in there. I have got little bulletin boards everywhere. And honestly, my one bulletin board is a little full. So to go with those, I grabbed these. They have a hanger on the back, but they're 2 squares, so I thought I could hang them. I like to save things like mystery box cards. If I get cards from subscribers to my P.O. box, all the things, I'm just going to hook it up with a command strip, and then that way I don't have to stick it to the wall or anything. You could also hook it up with a nail if you want to. I also got some cute magnets. I love leopard print, so this purple leopard print is cute. They had a few different options for colors for back to school stuff, everything from organizers to pencil cups to bags. They had this purple leopard print. They had one with unicorns and rainbows. They had one with just stripes and then a dinosaur option. So they have a lot of different things in those 4 buckets. So you can get a lot of things to match, which is awesome if you like things to match like I do. I was so excited to see these. They are little pop-up organizers. Now, I plan to use these to organize items by video. You can also use them to corral things like mail, or if you have like papers that you want to put in there for your kids to make sure that they take places or homework or whatever. These are nice because when you're done with them, if you don't need them to take up room, you just literally pop the sides in, pop the middles in, and it stores flat. So full transparency, fall is coming at Dollar Tree. It's not out yet. I don't want everybody to be like, my Dollar Tree doesn't have it. Mine really didn't either. I did see one store put stuff out, but a lot of it was repeats of last year. The one thing I did want to call out is I saw these really cute cutting board signs and they had 0 glitter. I like that. They have some with minimal glitter, so that was a plus there. They also had some really pretty $1.25 ribbons, so it's coming. What I hopped wholeheartedly on were the florals. So these they had last year, but they were all like, I think they were all orange. Here they've got orange and they kind of ombre up, but these are so pretty and they are so easy to just throw into a container. $1.25, these I would definitely recommend. There are some that they have that are very shed worthy, like these, so I would not go for those. Then I also grabbed these $1.25 pumpkin stems, and last year I did a hack that made them, I think, look so much better. Not that they look bad now, but what you can do is these leaves straight up pop off. Same thing with these eucalyptus leaves. And then you can pop this on. So basically you have the orange eucalyptus with the little pumpkin on there. So something to keep in mind. The next thing I made sure to grab is actually for Christmas in July from the fall section. It's this straw bale. I got 2 of these and I love these for nativity sets. I'm going to be doing some wood builds for Christmas in July. That's coming up later this month on the 21st, so be sure to mark your calendar for that. It's going to be hosted by my great friend Shannon over at the Daily DIYer and the Cozy Christmas Cottage, so that'll be coming your way. So I plan to build something for nativity scene wise, and I love to use these because it's just a nice addition. I have the willow tree nativity that I got on sale. I didn't have to pay full price for that, but my mom actually needs some of these for hers because I bought it for her as a gift. So grabbed these. These are just perfect for nativity sets. So if you have them for Christmas, grab them now because they are a fall thing, but you'll use them for Christmas. This next one was a deal that I shared on my Instagram, and unfortunately the deal is not still valid, but I wanted to mention it because I get so many questions when the season comes around. This is from Amazon. This is a Sanderson Sisters 3 Funko set. I got this for $10. I know a lot of craft buddies got it as well when I shared it on my Instagram. A lot of times my Instagram stories is where I'm able to share quick updates. It's a lot easier to do that than have to try to fit it into a video. So if you are on Instagram and you're not already following me, just type in Whiskey and Whit on Instagram. Make sure you're following me. I love to share updates in my stories. Our next store is Michael's, and my Michael's, everyone I went to, which were 3, they all had their Halloween and fall stuff coming out. Now, none of it is on sale right now, so that's something to keep in mind. So what I would say is go in if you want to browse, absolutely. Or if they run a sale online, that's when you buy it. Because right now everything's full price and you don't need to pay full price unless you see something and your life will literally be over if you don't get it. But they are going to be running sales in the future. I can guarantee that. So just keep your eyes peeled. Or if you have one item and they have a 1-item coupon, also be sure to sign up for the rewards if you shop at Michael's. It's free. They basically just give you points every time you shop, and I was able to use some coupons and rewards on this stuff. So these items actually came from the teacher section that they have. I know I'm not a teacher, but I love this Pennant sign. It says welcome. I thought it would be so cute here in my craft room, so I grabbed this. This was $14.99, but I had a 35% off 1-item coupon, so I used that on this guy. They also had some of the cutest ribbon. They had some that really looked teachery, but sometimes in the teacher stuff, you can find crafter-related stuff too. So I thought these crayon ones were super cute, not only just to have for projects, but also they're great to have things like this for teacher appreciation. What I would suggest is look at the coupons online for Michael's versus in store, because when I was in store they had 20% off 1 item, but if you placed an order online, which also includes buy online and pick up in store, you can get 35% off, which is like silly. It's like, why wouldn't you do that? So we were in a strip mall area. I knew I had a couple more places to go to, so I placed my order. They filled it really quick and I was able to get 35% off, and they gathered everything up for me, which was nice. So I shopped in the store, did the pickup. That's not always the case, but be sure to check. I love the Michael's app, or you can just check their website, but that's a great way to save at Michael's because if you're always buying full price, it can get pretty expensive. Up next, we're going to talk about FabFitFun. You guys know I love them, and I know a lot of craft buddies love them too, so I'm really excited to be partnering with them again on this video to share some really great details about their huge sale they have going on right now. But first, if you're new to FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription, so it comes out 4 times a year, spring, summer, fall, and winter, and each time the box opens, you go online and you're able to pick 6 full-size items. You can customize it to your taste from things like beauty, home, fashion, so many different options, which I love because I need somebody to recommend beauty things to me because I am not a beauty guru. Now, the great thing about this is you get to try out so many different things for less than the retail price. For example, these sunglasses retail for more than the entire box cost, which is great. You guys know I love a good deal. Another huge perk of being a FabFitFun member is access to their flash sales. Right now, they're running their biggest sale of the year, which is called FabFitFun Week. They've got deals members only up to 75% off. And if you're not already a member, no worries. I've got a huge discount. This is the best one they've ever given me to sign up and become a new member during the week so you can shop. So all those details will be down in the description. FabFitFun was so nice to give me early access to their items. So they sent me my top picks so I can share them with you. The first one is this beautiful crate and barrel bowl. It comes apart, and this bowl retails for $40 regular price, but on the FabFitFun Week sale, it's going to be $24.99. That is 38% off. Solid serveware. This is thick. It's going to wash up really nicely. This was like the first thing I added to my picks list. I love these nesting bowls. They are from the brand Short Stories, and it's a set of 3. They retail for $50, but on the FabFitFun Week sale, they are only $14.99. They're this beautiful taupe color. You get 3 different colors. In the summer and fall especially, we are always looking for containers to put dips into for entertaining. So this set of 3 is 70% off on FabFitFun week. Number 3 is this beautiful Free People blanket. Free People is one of those brands that I love, but I just need to get it on sale because they retail for higher prices. Like this blanket is normally $78, but on the FabFitFun week sale, 16 bucks. That is almost 80% off. This blanket is 100% a yes for me, especially $16, Free People. You can't beat that. This next one is 40% off. It is the brand Full Circle, and it is a pop-up laundry hamper. With everybody in our house and with a baby on the way, we definitely are always in need of more hampers. So this I had to grab. It retails for $34.99, but on the FabFitFun week sale, it's only $21, like I said, 40% off. This one was number 2 next to the Crate and Barrel bowl that I added to my top picks because I'm so excited to use this. This is from the brand Unhide. I actually have a blanket from them from when I was pregnant with Finn, and it is so warm and fuzzy. This is actually a sleepy robe. So it is fuzzy, and I bought this specifically for when I am pregnant, when it gets cold, and then to also take to the hospital. This will be so nice to snuggle in during labor. If it's anything like Finn, I'll be there for a while. So I was so excited about this. This originally retails for $125. It is so plush and luxurious. You can grab it on sale this week for $49.99. That is 60% off. I have been eyeing these Koi sunglasses in other flash sales over at FabFitFun. So when they were on the FabFitFun week sale, I knew I had to grab them. They have beautiful chain detail on the side. The lenses are like purple and yellow. I'm a huge sunglass person, as you could tell. I got them in the box. I got them here. These retail for $65 and they're now on sale for $44. That is 32% off. And then finally, let's talk beauty. First, I grabbed 2 things from the brand Soap and Glory. I love this brand. Their body scrub is to die for. I ended up grabbing their foot mask as well as their foot cream because summer into fall and winter, it's just nice to have soft feet. So the bigger one is the foot mask. That retails for $9.99, but the FabFitFun week sale price is $5. And then this smaller foot cream retails for $3.99, but it is on sale for $2. So both of these 50% off. Over summer and into fall for pinners, I've got some trips coming up, so I grabbed these Sigma Beauty travel brushes. It's 3 different sizes in the container, and they retail for $31. The price for the sale is $16.99, so that's 45% off. And last but not least, I love the brand Bobble Bar, so when I saw that these earrings were on there, I had to grab them. They're really good quality. I love how the gold looks against my skin tone and the other gold pieces that I have. And this one retails for, it says on here $42. My thing says right now they're $29.40, but you can get them for $29. As a reminder, this sale is only open to members, but if you aren't already a FabFitFun member, you can join at a huge discount during FabFitFun week. If you use my code Whitney300 with a new annual membership, you can get a free gift valued over $300. That's the one that I have, and I like it because I get first dibs on products when I customize my box. Or if you want to try out one box and sign up as a seasonal member, I also have a 25% off code for your first box. That's Whitney25. FabFitFun week is the Mac Daddy of all their flash sales, so you're going to want to act fast to make sure you get the products you want at these huge discounts. Be sure to shop before July 17th, 2024 when it ends. So next up, let's do Target. I have a really exciting event that I can't tell you about yet, but it's coming up, and I needed to get some supplies for my class that I'm teaching. It'll be a free class, and more details will be coming soon. I needed some really pretty farmhouse vases that I could potentially add vinyl to. So I found these in the Magnolia section. So that's the Chip and Joanna Gaines section. I love the two-tone. And then this is also Magnolia, which is this nice big vase. And this one was $25. So for this size, I think it's a really good price. And I think they'll both take vinyl really well. They'll also be beautiful just to have. And now for back to school. Now let me say, a lot of the places near me only had half their back to school up. I know by the time you guys are watching this, they will have more up. So I will be sharing on Instagram as well as other places if I find more cool things. The first thing I wanted to tell you about are these pencil pouches. I bought one last year and then they went viral and I kicked myself because I wish I would have bought more. I used this last year for all of Finn's snacks. You can fit a juice box, you can fit bars of snacks, you can fit a sunscreen, pretty much whatever you don't want getting smushed. It's also really nice to like throw in if you've got stuff for a work bag you don't want to get smushed. In that same vein, I bought this one, which I just like the rainbow, like you know, pastel color. I thought it was cute, but it is hard-sided. It's a pencil case as well. But I bought this for my filming supplies, so like my hard drive and my batteries and everything. Sometimes I work from my parents, sometimes I work from the lake, sometimes I work from places like Pinners Conference when I travel. So I wanted something hard that I could put my stuff in that it wouldn't get banged up. I got two more cute little pencil pouches. This is by the brand Yubi. It has two side pouches, so I thought this could be a good like cord organizer for travel. These magnetic bookmarks, I was so excited to see. For your planner, for your books that you're reading, it's so much nicer than a regular bookmark because it's not gonna like fall out on you. So I love to travel with these. This is from the sugar paper section. I found mine in the normal office section, not the school supply section, but it's this 2-pack of really cute bags. This is gingham, you guys know I love. Buffalo check, and then this one is just a plaid. But I think these are so cute for additional help organizing travel. I always need a bag like this, whether it's for me or for Finn stuff in my purse, whatever. So when I see cute ones for back to school, I gotta grab them. Then finally, for anybody that's got kids or grandkids about school age, in their dollar section, they had some really cute like scholastic books. So I got this one for sight words, and then this is also like handwriting skills to write letters. That's like different letters and numbers. That's what he's working on at school right now. Up next, let's talk Hobby Lobby. Now, right now, their fall stuff is 40% off already. So like I said with Michael's earlier, you don't want to buy the seasonal stuff unless you absolutely have to full price. You can wait. They will put it on sale, most stores. I'm glad that Hobby Lobby has their stuff on sale right now. Also, you know them. They're putting out Christmas, and they're probably putting out next 4th of July as we speak. They're just that far ahead. But right now, in my experience, there is literally no one in the fall aisles, maybe 1 or 2 other people. So you can look, they're fully stocked, you can get what you want, and you get the 40% off. They may go to 50% off when we get closer, but there's no guarantee your stuff's gonna be there. So I grabbed some of these items for fall decor, and then we're also hosting a shower for my cousin Olivia. So it's kind of like a boho rustic theme. So I thought some of these I could easily use for that and then use for my fall decor. Absolutely my favorite thing I found. These are solid and beautiful. When I tell you, you would easily pay $60 to $70 if this was in a boutique. I grabbed the big and the small just because I like the 2 different sizes, but this would go better on like the center of a table or somewhere where you don't have a lot of other height. This is better to be kind of styled with something else. I have a feeling these are gonna go viral. When I tell you I was blown away by the entire fall section at Hobby Lobby this year, it's just nice because so many of the colors that will work for fall will work year round. These amber glass vases were absolutely a steal. This one was $6.99 regular price, and then you get another 40% off. This huge one was $10. This at $6 would be great if you've got a wedding that you need these for, an event, if you like to have these for like table centerpieces for your Thanksgiving parties. I grabbed a few of these little votives. So we'll have some floral arrangements in here, and these will kind of go around by them. They were $4, $3.99 regular price. I think these will also be great for a Thanksgiving tablescape. I also grabbed a ton of items from their 75% off sale section. They're trying to get rid of all that stuff so they can bring in new items for fall and winter. First thing, this was $6.49. It is a little hyacinth basket. Everybody for the shower was asked to bring a handwritten recipe card for my cousin. That's kind of the little guest book. And so everybody's going to put them in there. It's also something that she can keep as a keepsake. I know I go to my recipe cards from my shower a lot. And I also have handwriting from family members that are no longer with us, which is also really special. In the clearance aisle as well, I found these. These are so pretty. Look how these cascade. They've got little beads in there. They were originally $21.99 and they were on sale for $5.50. I also have a baby shower coming up that I'll need to decorate for my sister-in-law. Use them more than once, which is better than, I love real flowers as much as the next person, but it can get expensive, and especially if you're only using them for a quick time, this is a great alternative if you can find ones that don't look super fake. That's gonna do it for this haul. Thanks so much for sticking with me. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what your favorite find was today, and also I will have all of the items I can linked down below as well as in the pinned comment if you would like to shop, as well as YouTube shopping if you would like to use that feature as well. Also, a huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video and supporting Whiskey and Wit. Now be sure to act fast if you're interested in their FabFitFun week sale, as well as those huge discounts to become a member. So I've got 2 codes for you. You want to use the code Whitney300 on a new annual membership, and then you want to use the code Whitney25 on your first box to get 25% off. All the links and the details are down in the description. And again, a huge thank you to them for partnering with me on this video. Thanks to you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe if you're new so you don't miss a future video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!